everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. For today's video, I will be making some high-end decor using these Dollar Tree bamboo rings and wood rings. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. Alright, starting with my first project, I'm using the bigger ring and this other Dollar Tree sign. I'm going to remove the tag, the little hook on the back, and in the front it has this family sign, so I'm also removing that. I will be using 2 packs of these wood rings. Each little pack has 6 of them. Since I only had 2 packs of these wood rings, I didn't have enough to go all around the circle, so there is going to be some space in between them, and the easiest way to separate these were to start with the first 4 and then I did the rest. Now I only use hot glue just because I reuse my stuff, so that makes it easier to take these things apart. But I do recommend you using E6000 so this can be sturdy. Once I'm done gluing all the rings, I'm going to glue the bamboo ring right on top of that. And then I'm going to just paint it the color I have been using. I will have all the paint I used to make this color down in the description box in case you want to make it. It is a very beautiful color. And that is it for this beautiful decorative tray. For my second project, I will be using the smaller ring and 4 of these bamboo sticks that I got from Amazon. I cut them smaller. Now I'm going to glue them around the bamboo stick. Once again, I'm only using hot glue, but if you're adding like a heavier planter, I do recommend you using a heavier duty glue. I'm going to paint it using the same paint, and then I'm going to add this bucket that I got from the Dollar Tree. It fits here perfectly. For the greenery, I'm using this Walmart eucalyptus greenery. For my next project, I will be using the larger ring. I was going to use this wood box, but instead I will be using this wood square piece. Now for the ring, I am going to cut it, and then I'm going to add it to a styrofoam that I'm going to glue to the piece of wood. To add the ring to the styrofoam, I'm adding some hot glue for extra support. Then I'm going to just squeeze it in the styrofoam. Now to paint this, I'm painting the ring white, and for the bottom piece, I am going to paint it the color I've been using. Now for the greenery, I'm going to add some that I already had, but I kept going back and forth in between this one and the boxwood greenery from Walmart, and in the end I ended up just using both, but after actually finishing looking at the final pictures, I think I added way too much. But yeah, that is it. The last thing I did was just add a candle in the center. Before I move on, I do want to mention that I partnered with Tammie, the Rusted Willow, to bring in some Dollar Tree DIYs. I will have her link down in the description box, so you can definitely go check her out. She is so talented and she's going to have some more inspirations. For my next project, I will be using the smaller ring. I'm going to paint it white, and then I'm going to wrap some of this greenery around it. This is from Walmart. To decorate my wreath, I will be making a bow using this Dollar Tree ribbon. Instead of gluing the bow, I will be using another piece of string to tie this to the wreath instead. And this is how this beautiful wreath turned out. Now I'm going to add this to the sign I will be making. Now from Dollar Tree, I'm going to use 3 of these wood planks. I will be using 2 that I already used before and a new one. Now before I glue these together, I'm going to make a C shape using the bamboo sticks. Once I am done cutting the bamboo sticks, I'm going to start gluing the wood planks first and then add the bamboo sticks. And this is how it looks. Now I'm going to paint this. For the hook, I'm adding this one that I got from Walmart. Instead of using the little screws that came with it, I will be using some thumbtacks since this wreath is not heavy. And that is it. Now I'm going to add my wreath. My next project is going to be so easy and simple to do. Now from the Dollar Tree, I will be using 2 of these little wood ring packs. Each pack has 5. I'm going to stack them together and gluing them using some hot glue. Now I'm going to paint this white, and that is it. The last thing I will be doing is just adding some greenery. For my next project, I will be using 2 packs of these bamboo rings. Each pack has 2, a smaller and a big one. Now, recently I did something similar to this, but instead of using circles, I used squares. Now for this project, I did wish I had some more of these bamboo rings because I wanted to make a really large one using these, but I only had these 2 left. So that is what I use. I'm going to just glue them together using hot glue. Then I'm going to paint it with the same gray color I've been using. Instead of leaving it plain, I will be adding some greenery with the bow, and I'm going to just glue it in the center. And that is it for this wall decor piece. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite. And don't forget to go check out the Rusted Willow because she is going to have some more Dollar Tree inspiration. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.